Hello viewers, if you have not watched Godfather movie or you have not read the novel Godfather, then I'm sure at least you heard the name of Godfather, because it is the #1 movie in the history of the movies since last 40 to 50 years. This movie is recommended to everyone and I have watched personally this movie more than 5 times. There are many things I learned from this movie, but today I would like to share with you 5 lessons which you can implement in your life, which you can implement in your business from the movie Godfather. So the first thing I learned from this movie is about the importance of family. The Godfather says that a man who does not spend time with his family cannot be a man. And the other thing is that movie teaches that everything is above family. So the first ranking in the relationships, even family is above the friendship, family is above the state, family is above the rule. The Godfather never break his rules, never break his promises, but whenever it comes to his family events, whenever it comes to the happiness of his family, he breaks everything. On his daughter's wedding, his worst enemy approaches him, and that day he forgave his worst enemy. Well, that's not in the rules of in his book. That's not in the rules of the mafia. But whenever there is something happening to their family, there is some event, so they take care of the family. So family is above everything. This is one thing which you learn from this movie. The second thing from the movie is about the friendship. So as per the Godfather, after the family, the second position is the position of the friendship. And as per the Godfather, that friendship is above the state, friendship is above the rule. And whenever you are doing business with someone, do business with them on the friendship. So first thing he used to offer was the friendship. This is the second thing which I learned from the movie Godfather and from the novel Godfather. The third thing is that whenever you are dealing with someone, whenever you are doing a contract, do that contract based on the respect. So the dealings were all the time on the respect. There was no such dealing on the power. There was no such dealing on occupying something. So all the time the Godfather focused on being logical. He never shouted at anyone. His main focus was being logical, listening to others. So all the time he says that improve your argument rather than shouting at others, rather than fighting with them, rather than becoming violent. Whenever even he was negotiating with others and even threatening them for the death, at that time he also used to talk to them in logical ways. He used to give them the options. So this is something which I learned with them, that all the time talk with respect to the people, no matter who you are dealing with. The fourth thing in the movie is that always has an eye on your enemy. There is one quote from the movie that keep your friends close and keep your enemies closer. So he used to have all the time an eye on the enemies. Whenever he used to felt that this guy is gonna cheat with me, this guy is gonna destroy the family, so he used to already take the proactive approach for that. And this is what he teaches his son when someone shot him and he was in the hospital. The Godfather was in the hospital, so he teaches his son that you need to be proactive in every move. And fifth lesson in the book is that, which is also talked in the several books, that whenever you are emotional, do not take the decisions. So Godfather never took the decision based on the emotions. He was all the time logical. He was all the time rational. Even when his son was shot by another family, when it comes to becoming logical, when it comes to having an agreement with them, he all the time used to be rational. He never took the decision based on the emotions. So these are the 5 key lessons which are coming in my mind from the movie, from the novel Godfather. There are also many other lessons which I can share, which I will keep sharing with you. If you like these 5 lessons, please let me know. If you have watched the movie Godfather or read the novel Godfather, do share with me what you have learned from this movie. It's a wonderful movie. If you have not watched this so far, I will recommend you to watch Godfather 1, 2 and 3. Thank you so much for being here. Do subscribe our channel if you are new here. Thank you so much.